Hi, I'm Jason Nast, and I'd like to welcome you into my home. I'm super excited today because I'm celebrating an anniversary. I'm actually celebrating my 1-year anniversary with the One Funnel Away Challenge. And man, that completely changed my life. See, I struggled for years, probably like you are right now, on making a little side hustle money. I really wanted to make money online, and I did probably what you do. I read books, I bought courses, I watched thousands of hours of YouTube channels, and still no results. And I couldn't figure out why at the time, but now I think I know why. You see, we didn't have the mentorship, the guidance, someone to literally take me by the hand and walk me through step by step, every day what I needed to do. And not only that, but to mentor me and to actually encourage me and to motivate me to actually get up and do the work. See, it was a year ago that I invested $100 in 30 days, about 2 hours a day for 30 days. And in that time, the actual creators of the tools, people who use the tools successfully every single day, handhold you and walk you through the process. From videos, from training, to actually creating the funnels and sales environment, to finding products, worksheets, daily tasks. They take these really big, scary goals and turn them into little manageable tasks. Those little manageable tasks turn into everyday wins. Those everyday wins turn into big wins over time. In just 30 days, I invested $100 in 30 days of my time, and I 10x'd my money. I made $1,000 in 30 days. And by the way, that was a year ago. Ever since then, it just keeps getting better. Those little side income kind of days turned into big full-time income kind of days. And it's not that hard when you have somebody that's hand-holding you and walking you through step by step each of the processes. So if you're interested in actually earning money online, I encourage you to work with the actual tool creators and the people who use the tools every single day. Not only that, but you have this big community behind you. So if you get struggles, you have some difficulty, you just post it on the community and bam, everybody's there. They jump in, they help you because they want your success probably more than you want your success. And I'm gonna take it one step further. If this is right for you, great. Go ahead and click the link below. Let my mentor, Russell Brunson, tell you exactly what the One Funnel Away Challenge is all about and how it can change you and your lives forever. If you add your cell phone below, you're gonna get a direct link to communicate directly with me, not a robot, not an assistant, but directly with me, because I personally want your success as well. So go ahead and click the link below if you're interested in taking the next step. Now, if this isn't right for you, no harm, no foul. We part as friends. I appreciate your time listening to my story. But if you want to make money online, if you want to actually create an income for you and your family that you don't have to go punch a clock, then I encourage you. Click the button below, listen to Russell, listen to him tell you exactly what you need to do to take the next step to your success every single day. I'll see you on the other side.